Yeah, just checking whether, I think, not sure whether Darren's in the passenger side or not, but either way, Will Morgan, right here in the Summernats Burnout Championship.
Mate Bubner, he's down there trackside. Well, at the moment, folks, we can't see a whole lot over here with Will's car through the smoke, but he is facing back up the track. And as you said before, it all went from everything to nothing in a very short period of time. So, just going to make our way across there and have a look as far as the fire is going. Make sure nothing's gone too pear-shaped on board the car. And then, of course, he'll be able to remove that thing off the pad. But not sure what happened there. The thing was just making full noise and nothing appeared to really go too nuts. Maybe a small backfire through the injection system, but nothing that I heard that went crash, boom, bang, that's for sure. Yeah, very strange. But look, hey, this is the Summernats, and look, it is the place where equipment is tested to its absolute limits.
Well, that's right, Jason, and as you said, so much temperature inside that sort of concrete barrier jungle, as you might want to call it, on the burnout pad there. So there's almost no air flow. So we're going to go down to extreme temperatures, up to, I should say.
Well, we've been able to restart that. A little bit of smoke, just still sort of coming out from underneath the bottom.